You like my hospital socks? You do? Yeah, they were free from the hospital, so I brought them home. The day we brought you home. Oh no, this was different. Wow! Shh, come. Wow! How was your day? Can we talk seriously? Hold on, now can we laugh? You're tired now, you were laughing more before. Do a hug.
Hi.
Hi. I'll stop, Shane. I'll act my age, not my shoes.